seen amazing toys your buddy will absolutely love. It's no secret for any budgie owners that budgies are some of the most playful birds out there. Enhance their playfulness even more by giving your budgie a toy. Every budgie and their playing habits are different, so the toys that one budgie likes does not necessarily mean that it will also be what another budgie will like. But we can narrow a list of common toys that budgies tend to like. Try getting your budgie noisy toys, especially belts toys that they can perform trick on, such as springs and ladders, and a nice variety of fun and challenging toys that will keep your budgie busy for hours. Once you decorate your budgie's cage with some toys, your budgie will forever be grateful to you for this. Budgies love to play, and you will see that the toys you got will keep your budgie occupied for hours. I will put this at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button and bell